the summertime when the weather is high, you can stretch right up and touch the sky. When the weather is fine, you got women on your mind. Have a drink, have a drive, you can go out and see what you can find.
Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm the ukulele fool, foolishly believing that summer is magical. So this is a great song to practice our B flat. I'll go over the chords, I'll quickly go over the strumming pattern that I'm using and some other suggestions as well. And there's play along. Oh, and a history nerd section. In this rendition of the song, I'm using a B flat. I'll link down to two others below that don't use a B flat, but there's one that uses an E, so you need a B flat, so why not? Let's do it on this fun song. To do a B flat properly, you can get a roll on your finger up towards the headstock, which puts the bony part of your finger in closer contact with the strings, getting to the ring out. Then you've got to get these other two fingers down here. You might find that having a very open hand position will help you, but some people play with their thumb up here and that works as well. I tend to bring my hand down, put a little more pressure away so whether you're in an open hand position and rolling back, or if you're playing kind of like with cradling it, you're still just sucking it in more, putting more pressure so that that E and A string get locked down. You can also use the physics, pressing your ukulele with your forehand into your hand rather than your hand doing all the work, like that. You have to go from an F to a B flat. And so that's, luckily your index finger is already in place. Just lay it down. I am using in this a C chord, and I'm basically playing that B flat chord on the 3rd fret like this. Why? Well, because it gives you more opportunity to practice that B flat shape, because you can take it all over your instrument and make a major chord. And then I like the sound of that C. It's higher, it's cool, and you just keep the same shape because you have to, you go from a C back to a B flat. So you do the C, release, slide, press again, like that. So if you don't want to do your C that way, well, go ahead and do it the normal way, or a little extra. You could do a C7 as well, not a problem. My strumming suggestion for this song is to do a modified island strum for most of it, but then throw in a little island strum for spice. You do not have to do that. You can stick with the modified island strum. You could do the island strum. You could do the cowboy strum. You could do down strum. So many suggestions. But what I'm doing sounds like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Let's do it really nice and slowly. I'll show you what I am doing. And again, this is only a suggestion. 1, 2, 1, 2, here we go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, a 3rd time, up, down, up, island strum, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, island strum, and C down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, island strum. Goes all the way through the entire song. But again, just my suggestions. Follow your bliss. Do what you like. What does In the Summertime and T.S. Eliot's old book of Possum's Practical Cats have in common? There's a character in there, Mungo Jerry, and that's what the band that Ray Dorset was the lead singer, and his band Mungo Jerry wrote this song. He was working for Timex in the UK at the time, so might have been another connection there with this song. Interestingly enough, in the original recording, there are no drums used. It's foot stomping, and they've got like an old jug, putting a jug band sound to it. So, boy, what I would say is take out your shakers and your washboard and your jug and stuff like this and bring this to a ukulele jam session and just have a regular fun time with it.
One, two, a 1, 2, 3, 4. In the summertime when the weather is high, you can stretch right up and touch the sky. When the weather is fine, you got women on your mind. Have a drink, have a drive, you can go out and see what you can find. If her daddy's rich, take her out for a meal. If her daddy's poor, just do what you feel. Speed along the lane, do a turn or a turn at 25. When the sun goes down, you can make it good and really fine. We're not bad people, we're not dirty, we're not mean. We love everybody, but we do as we please. When the weather is fine, we go fishing or swimming in the sea. We're always happy, life's for living, yeah, that's our philosophy. Sing along with us, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee, da-da-da-da-da, yeah, we're happy, da-da-da-dee, da-dee-da-da-da-dee, da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. When the winter's here, yeah, it's party time. Bring your bottle, wear your bright clothes, it will soon be summertime. And we'll sing again, we'll go driving, and maybe we'll settle down. If she's rich, if she's nice, bring your friends, and we'll all go into town. In the summertime when the weather is high, if you stretch right up and touch the sky, when the weather is fine, you got women on your mind. Have a drink, have a drive, go out and see what you can find. If her daddy's rich, take her out for a meal. If her daddy's poor, just do what you feel. Speed along the lane, do a turn or a turn in 25. When the sun goes down, you can make it good and really fine. We're not bad people, we're not dirty, we're not mean. We love everybody, but we do as we please. When the weather is fine, we go fishing or swimming in the sea. We're always happy, life's for living, yeah, that's our philosophy. Sing along with us, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee, da-da-da-da-da, yeah, we're happy. Da-da-da-da, dee-dee-da-da-da-dee-da-da-da-dee-da. Da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Sing along with us, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee, da-da-da-da-da, yeah, we're happy. Da-da-da-da, dee-dee-da-da-da-dee-da-da-da-dee-da. Da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.